ugali. She speed raise ugali for the first time. Ah. Uongo. At 10 out of 10, he lied, man. Ugali doesn't taste that sweet, man. Ugali is not that delicious. Maybe he has some Luya genes in him, but nah, ugali is not that sweet. Angalia vile aroma sio ugali kwa easy. Ugali is not that sweet, man. Unless if he has some Luya genes in him. Ama he did not want to offend people. That's why I said 10 out of 10. But ugali is not that sweet, man. I should speed you're overrating the ugali, man. Ugali. Nah, you're overrating it, man. Just ugali pana. Ugali is one of the weirdest food ever. Like you can't eat ugali without something else, like ugali with beef, ugali with eggs, ugali with fish. Not just sit down and eat ugali like that. Or you take ugali with milk. You have to have something else to eat with ugali. And I think that's one of the weirdest things ever. It's not like rice. Rice, you can just eat rice like that. All these other foods like bananas, you can just eat them like that. But ugali, think about it. Ugali huwezi kula bila mboga. Ukikula ugali bila mboga tu wanafikiria unasafa. Huwezi kula ugali bila mboga. It's weird. Ugali is not that delicious, man. It's not that sweet. It's not 10 out of 10. Ugali is like 3 out of 10. Unajua Waluya watajam, but ugali ni 3 out of 10. Hakuna kenye mnaniambia. Sima bro. Bro, no way.